Exactly. This is exactly the equipment. The equipment is working with a gas pump. It's a gas pump, and this is the hose connected into the duct. Perfect, that's the duct. And now we are going to check again the pump. It's a diaphragm pump. And diaphragm pump suction the black water from the tank of the duct, and the black water enter in the tank, in the storage tank, and is storage in order to be disposal in other place. This is the typical suction black water pump with portable tank used for subcontractors. Okay guys, this is the procedure to evacuate the holding tank. The holding tank additionally have a vent. The vent is connected here with the filter that we have on the screen, and is connected with the vent outside. The vent is important, and the filter. The filter normally is full of charcoal, carbon, graphite, in order to absorb bad odors. The filter is mandatory be replaced twice per year, depends of how you use the boat and how frequent you use the boat. But those filters are mandatory, are located here in the center of the holding tank, and are connected with the vent according with the picture that we have on the screen. Okay, my friends, this is the typical connection. We are going to refresh quickly. We have the toilet. The toilet have the electric pump. The electric pump is composed by the macerator pump. The macerator pump suction the solid with water and send a little pulverized solid with water into the electro scan. In some boats, in between the pump of the toilet and the electro scan, they have a vacuum generator like this. Some boats, they don't have electro scan. They have, instead of the electro scan, vacuum generator. But the vacuum generator is not a treatment equipment. It's only a pump to pump the solid from this small macerator pump into the holding tank. In some boats, there are boats with a vacuum generator and electro scan and holding tank, like the picture that we have on the screen.